The easy yet stunning numbered bullet list with 3D blocks and morph animation for teachers looks like this. Can you see here? On a click, I have the first block revealed. Once I finish the explanation, I click and the second block is revealed. See, the revelation happens in a different way. And then the third block, and then the fourth block, and the fifth block. These items here could be different formulas you want to teach or different terms. It is completely up to you. These 3D blocks give this animation a casual yet interesting look and feel. Let us learn how to create this super easy animation from scratch. This animation would work only when you have these recent versions of Office as per Microsoft's site. I use Microsoft 365, so I have access to 3D models. So if you have access to 3D models, then please continue watching this tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to go to Insert, then go to 3D Models and go to Stock 3D Models. There, when you go down, you can find this option called Alphanumeric Blocks. You click on them, then you have all these blocks. You go down and you can find these numbered blocks. You just need to click and insert them onto your file like this. And that is exactly what I did for all the other numbers. Can you see here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 downloaded and ready to use. The next step is to arrange them one above the other. Just rearrange the location. You can make sure that one is right above the other, and we have 1, 2, 3 arranged like this, and we have 5 and 4 arranged like this. Now I'm going to ensure that these blocks are arranged properly. So let us select these two and then say align bottom. And then let us move this down so that it is placed exactly on top of the number 5 here. The next step is to add a floor. So let me go to the rectangle box here in AutoShapes gallery and then draw a rectangle like so. Go to shape outline, say no outline, shape fill and use a light gray box like this and then send it back. Now we have the floor, so our 3D blocks can rest quite nicely. The next step is to rotate these boxes so we don't see the numbers up front. So let us select this. Then go to this contextual tab called 3D model. Here you have different views of the 3D model. I'm going to use this option here called bottom. So this one would flip back to its original position later when I have the original position restored in the subsequent slide. Let us try to arrange this in a different way. So select this and maybe I can choose something like back, and this one could be to the right, and this one could once again be from the bottom, so it flips over, and then this could be from left. Excellent. So we have got our first slide in place. Then let us right click and create a duplicate slide. Now we are going to have this restored to its original position. So let us select this, go to 3D model and choose this option here called the default view. Right at that time, you can insert the text element that would explain the first point. Then let us right click and duplicate the slide and once again perform the same operation. Select the second block, go to 3D model and use the default view. Then stick the second text. Continue the operation for the remaining blocks. Now it is done. Then let us go to the second slide. Hold the shift button down and go to the last slide so we are able to select all of these. Then go to transitions, add a morph transition and reduce the duration to just 1 second for all of the slides. This is our first slide. Then on a click, we introduce our first text with the number block flipping like this. Then we have the second one, the third one, and we have the fourth and the fifth one. By the way, do you know we have an interesting product called Add-on 140 PowerPoint list templates? These are 140 creatively animated PowerPoint list templates that help you to engage even the most distracted audience, even if your subject is complex and dry. We have all kinds of creative and interesting PowerPoint list animations for all numbers, like from 1 to 8. And you can see that these kind of animations take a lot of effort if you were to do them on your own. And these are all available readily for you to just plug and play. All you need to do is to replace the sample text with your own text and your list templates are ready for you to present. It's a huge time saver and will instantly make your list come alive. The link to this product is in the description box below, so click on the link, check out more details about this product And if you find that the product is interesting, go ahead, make the purchase, and you will really love the product. In the meantime, do you want to learn some useful PowerPoint tips and tricks for teachers that you can use in your next presentation? Then we have just the right video for you right here. All you need to do is to click on the link, watch the video, and learn some useful PowerPoint tips that you can use in your next class or online presentation. So go ahead, click, watch, and learn some useful PowerPoint tips that can make a difference in your next presentation.